Hello guys, as you know, false alarms are not a joke. Alright, as you know, yes. False alarms are not a joke. Fire alarms are very, very, very serious. Fire alarms detect to let everyone know that the building is on fire, to let people know that they have to leave immediately. So never pull a fire alarm unless if there's a fire, okay? False alarms are not a joke, okay? If you pull a fire alarm in school, you could get suspended from school or you could get arrested for reporting a false alarm, okay? Every school has fire drills, as you know. While the teacher was teaching me in our class during math, the fire alarm went off and went eh. It was a false alarm. So what we did, we walked out to school as a fire drill, and they said that some kid pulled it. It was I think about like a 9-year-old or a 10-year-old kid who pulled it, and he made a false alarm. And he got suspended from school for making a false alarm. If you ever pull a false alarm, like in any public places, you get sprayed with red ink, and then the fire department will come, you'll be in big trouble, and they'll have to pay a lot of money for making a false alarm, okay? And so never make a false alarm, alright? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.